Hello everyone, and welcome to the inspiring journey that money fills your pocket, adventure for your soul. And life is short and the world is wide. We travel not to escape life, but for life not to escape us. And welcome to this tour adventure in town.
Everyone, and I'm here. We're having a boat trip today, so we decided to, with my friends, we decided to have a boat trip. So it's gonna be for hours here in a way dancer. So it's quite cheap. So we will enjoy today.
And of course, introducing all my friends who joined me to this moment. The beautiful Vivian Solano, of course, with orangey shirt and beautiful hat. Rose. And of course, mawawala ba ang posing ng inyong mga kabebe? Ayan, Kevin Reyes at your service. And the sexy lady, yeah, and the Mother Earth of town, Nieves.
Afternoon of Sunday. As you can tell, we are leaving Paphos Harbour now, heading towards the eastern coastline of Paphos, up at Atlantida Bay. Atlantida Bay is part of Euroskibo village. Euroskibo village being the adjacent village to Paphos town. Paphos town, of course, being the harbour we're departing from. Here on the beautiful coastline of Paphos, and that's where we're going to be enjoying the fantastic food that we're going to be freshly preparing here on board Wave Dance One for you. The only boat that actually does that for you in the whole of Cyprus, the only boat that actually and truly cooks its food on board. Now, my name is Andreas. If you do need anything, for the time being, I would like to go through some safety announcements for the unlikely event of an emergency. And after that, I'm going to be passing over the microphone and stage to our DJ. The upper deck, there are 6 emergency exits. 2 are situated at the very front, the 2 staircases that most of you came onto the upper deck from. You go down those 2 staircases and you find yourselves immediately onto the ramp where you came onto the boat from. 2 other exits are situated midship. You go past the bar to right or left, depending on the side of the bar you decided to go through. Is the ramp downstairs. That's where all the crew is going to be gathered in order to assist you with putting on the life jackets. We'll get hotter as the day progresses. So do please make sure that you apply plenty of Santan lotion. It is, after all, for your own protection. When you do apply the Santan lotion, however, please make sure that it goes on yourselves. And if you do that, we then promise you that the toilets will remain spotless throughout the whole day. For that, do please come down to the bar area. You'll find a big chalkboard that provides you with both the code and the password. Remember, however, that you are in a boat. Therefore, the signal might not be
Thank you guys for supporting my videos and watching my videos. Today we had this adventure and we did enjoy the lovely boat trip in Paphos, and we hope that you all like it and stay still tuned to my videos. As I always tell everyone, that life is simple and easy. We just do what we love to do and be unstoppable of many things and be ourselves as always. And we are need to feel the relaxing time to yourself, and I hope you do too on your own way. As we are grateful of this time and the opportunity to enjoy the moment after the long day, we still find a place to give. Always said and remember that life is like a wave, sometimes calm, sometimes rough, but always remember how to surf and go with the flow and face the moment of truth. Thank you.